Hi you guys, I'm in Costa Rica and I wanted to do a video on people who are interested in going on this Pranic retreat or Pranic lifestyle, and if they want to know what they can do before they go on a Pranic a Breatharian retreat, whether it's a 21-day retreat, a 10-day retreat, or 9-day retreat. I just want to let you guys know what I did before I went on the retreat, and just want to give you a background is because it's not that I knew I was going to go on this retreat. It's for years and years before, prior to this, I was already in this lifestyle where I was fasting and I was detoxing, and I had a meditation practice and a physical exercise yoga kind of practice, and I was reading books and things like that. So those things were already there, and when I found out about this Breatharian lifestyle, it was just kind of one step further, and all these things that I had done prior to finding out about the Breatharian lifestyle and then going on the retreat all helped me. So if you're on the fence thinking whether you want to, go on a retreat or not, and regardless of whether you go on a retreat or not, just for your own well-being, I think these 6 things that I did would be helpful for anyone. Number one thing that I did was I cleaned my diet. For example, when I cleaned my diet, I meant like, going from eating meat, being a vegetarian, to being a vegan. So that kind of transition I made, and also fasting. So not only cleaning your diet, but also fasting. So included in the number 1 is fasting. So whether it's intermittent fasting, it's dry fasting, or it's a water fasting, do fasting. So if you're doing intermittent fasting now, then maybe you can push it up a notch and do a water fasting. If you're doing water fasting, then see if you can do dry fasting. So those kinds of things, you can play with it and work with it and see what works for you. Because when you are fasting, what's happening is that it allows your body to clean itself up because it's not busy digesting food. Number 2 thing that I did was detox. Now detox. It's so important to detox. It doesn't matter if you already have a clean diet, but it's important to detox, because no matter how clean your diet is, the water we drink, the air we breathe, there's toxins everywhere, and it's really important to detox. So I was doing this detox even before, like I mentioned, even before I found out about breatharianism and all that. So the things that I was doing was the liver cleanse, I was doing a kidney cleanse, I was doing a heavy metal cleanse, I was doing a harmful organism cleanse, I was doing colon cleanse, and I was also using a product called MMS. And I will put a link on below to let you guys know the different products I was using, and just for your information. So anyways, detoxing your body is really important, because when you're going on this Breatharian retreat, what happens is, I have noticed, I've gone on 2 Breatharian retreats, and I have noticed that there is heavy duty detoxing people are going through. And if you've already done a lot of the detoxing, then you're not going to be faced with all this stuff that you're going through, all the detoxing symptoms, because it could be hard going back into society and dealing with people after all your weight loss, and then also having to deal with all the detoxing symptoms. So if you've already done a lot of the detoxing, then it makes life a little easier after or during your initiation. Number 3 is meditation. So have a meditation practice. No matter what practice you do, just have something that resonates with you, some type of meditation practice. Even like, for example, Jasmine Heen's meditation, where you're drawing energy into your body. I was doing Joe Dispenza's meditation. I was doing Ray's meditation. When I found out about his meditations, I was doing that. And so any choice of your meditation, basically you just learn how to just kind of calm your mind down, and just slow your breath down, and imagine drawing prana into your body, and those kinds of things I was doing. So anyways, number 3 would be meditation. And number 4 would be books, different books to read, different books on spirituality, getting you really into this whole kind of lifestyle. Any book gets you into the spirituality and how things work. So even like reading about your subconscious mind and reading about the power of positive thinking and, you know, those kinds of things just kind of get you into a positive state of mind. And some kind of physical exercise, which is really important. And I can't stress that enough, because when you get out of this routine, what's going to end up happening is you're probably going to lose muscle mass. You're probably going to lose, you're going to lose a lot of weight, including muscle mass. And so it's important that when you get back into society, that you then go right into, you know, your routine, which is to work out and stuff. I had a routine, but what I did was I babied myself a bit much, and I said, oh, well, you know, I don't know, you know, maybe I should conserve my energy and things like that. But no, your body can take it. And if I had to do it all over again, I'd go straight into lifting weights and working out and maintaining my muscle mass. And so that is something that is very important. You know, yoga and any kind of physical activity that you can do is important. And number 6 would be to clear anything out of your life on your plate that does not serve you. For example, if there are relationships that you know that it's not working out, maybe certain friendships or certain other kind of relationships, and you know it's not working out, it's probably best to kind of let them go, because when you come out of these retreats, what's going to happen is you're going to have a lot of stuff you're going to be dealing with. And then on top of that, if you have this relationship that you also have to deal with, is just adding more on your plate, and you know, more than you can probably handle, and then you don't want to have too much to handle. So try to see if you can clear things out before going on these retreats. So any sabotaging thoughts, any limiting beliefs, things like that, and see if you can kind of let all that go. And I know it's an ongoing process, but see if you can let some of it go. Anyways, those are the 6 things that I have done, and I think that's helped me in my process, and I just want to share that with you guys and see if that, and hopefully maybe that might help you guys in your journey. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.